Hi everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites, and today I want to show you how to fix issue with mixed content for your WordPress website. For example, it may cause issues with HTTPS not active, like this log is not locked. Okay, so to fix this issue, you should go to your WordPress dashboard, to plugins, and click Add New Plugin. In the plugins area, you should find the plugin which calls Better Search and Replace. Okay, search for it and install it. Okay, it's loading, so during load time, don't forget to subscribe and click like for this video, leave your comment. If you need some help, you can contact me by comments area and I will respond to you. Or you can use the email and I will help you directly by email here. Okay, so this is this plugin. Install now. If you will find this video useful, don't forget to leave me some donations. Links are in the description under this video. Also, there are some other links for builders and some discounts. Okay, now activate this plugin and let's now go to Tools and go to Better Search Replace. Okay, so now you should write here, search for, like this, HTTP and your website. I would remove this line and copy it, replace with, and write here HTTPS. It will search for all HTTP links and replace with all HTTPS links. Okay, here search for all tables and click run. Make sure this run as dry run is checked. It will not do any changes, it's just dry run. And before proceed this, don't forget to do the backup for your database, which is really important step. I probably would need to say it at the beginning of the video, but we have what we have. Okay, so it's processing tables, and so it's doing it search for these tables in your database for this URL and replaces with this URL. So let's find some, let's wait. If this solution didn't work for you, feel free to contact me by comments or by email, which you can find in the description, and I will check your website and will find solution for you specifically. Don't hesitate. Okay, so run ended and we have dry run. Tables were searched, 0 were found, 0 were made changes. Okay, it was dry run. If you sure you want to proceed, like after this dry run, go to go to bottom, remove this checkbox and click run search and replace. It will do the changes live. And that's pretty it. It should replace all HTTP links with HTTPS. It usually becomes the issue when you create a website locally or create a website without CCL certificate, and when you launch it, after you create the CCL, so you created website as HTTP but launch it as HTTPS. Sometimes it happens, and that's okay. If this solution didn't work, feel free to contact me. If this solution worked, feel free to leave me some donations to support me and help other people. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, and bye bye.